and thanks for watching today. Owning a rental property entails more than just collecting rent. It requires a good eye for maintaining tenant satisfaction and maximizing returns on your investment. My name is Nick Jensen with NV Property Management. And in this video, we're going to discuss 6 property renovations to help you achieve both those goals simultaneously. So let's get started. Number 1, fresh paint. A fresh coat of paint can instantly elevate the appeal of your property. This is a simple and transformative renovation to make. And a pro tip, for your rental properties, sticking with neutral colors is best. This ensures a broad tenant appeal while helping to conceal any wall imperfections. Number 2, revamping the kitchen. For most families, the kitchen is often the heart of the home. This is true for tenants as well. It's a crucial focal point where they spend the majority of their time. By upgrading appliances, countertops, flooring, cabinet hardware, and backsplash tiles, you will modernize the space. This modernization increases its allure and often helps your property rent more quickly. Number 3, bathroom makeover. A well-maintained and clean bathroom is non-negotiable for tenant satisfaction. Simple updates can do wonders. Consider updating fixtures and adding new towel racks, toilet seats, and bath mats to refresh the space and enhance its appeal. These simple upgrades can go a long way. Number 4, landscaping enhancements. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your property sets the tone. You can have a beautiful rental on the inside, but people will judge that book by its cover. You can enhance the curb appeal by maintaining a simple but inviting landscape. This can be done with a well-groomed yard, as well as colorful flowers, shrubs, or trees. Number 5, new flooring. Flooring can breathe new life into your property. Solid surface flooring is a great choice for rental properties, and while hardwood floors are desirable, they're costly. You may consider budget-friendly alternatives like vinyl plank flooring for durability and aesthetics. They're also pretty easy to repair if they're damaged. Last but not least, number 6, adding amenities. Incorporating sought-after amenities can significantly help boost your property's appeal as well. Consider adding central air conditioning, a dishwasher, or outdoor living spaces like a patio or balcony. These amenities simply make life better. By investing in one or more of these renovations, you not only increase the value of your property, but also attract high-quality tenants. And high-quality tenants are willing to pay a higher rent amount. And this ultimately leads to an increased income and an improved ROI. If you need help exploring rental opportunities, consider reaching out to us by visiting our website at nvpm.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.